Welcome back. In this demo, let's look at the user-friendly SIL-LOPA product. SIL-LOPA is used for safety integrity level determination. Navigate to GoRNA.com website. Click My Account. If you have not registered, register first and then log in to the website. Post Login My Account page will show your subscribed products. For subscribing the product, go to Products page and subscribe for free. View SIL-LOPA. If company name was already saved, click Get Company button to view the drop-down from where you can select the company name. Else enter company, site, plant and unit names in the respective fields and save. Now you are ready to fix the company required target frequencies for SIL determination. Open the target frequency window. Hazard target frequencies are tied to the company. When saved once, they can't be changed. You have an option to choose 4x4 matrix or 5x5 matrix based on your company HSE manual. Let's go for 5x5. Key in your hazard categories, respective tolerable frequencies and save. Now navigate to Unit Overview page where your safety instrumented functions will be listed. Add your SIF description and save. Go to the LOPA calculation page. Fill the SIF process data and save. Now we are ready to do the LOPA calculation. Use the toggle switch to select the initiating event from drop-down or key in your initiating event and save. Since the initiating event we have chosen for this function is BPCS failure, let's select the same and save. SIL-LOPA is designed in such a way that SIL is calculated for each cause-consequence pair as advocated in LOPA methodology. Since all the initiating events do not occur concurrently, summing all of their frequency is not allowed in SIL-LOPA. Fill up the consequence, which is just the occurrence of the event like loss of containment. In scenario section, explain the consequence endpoint considered for this LOPA. Here we consider the potential pool fire and related damage as the consequence endpoint. Segregate the damages into respective hazard categories. Tick and select the applicable hazard categories and select their severity. Fill up the enabling conditions, conditional modifiers and barriers. Tick applicable hazard categories to be considered. For additional barriers, plus button can be clicked and barrier added. Barriers have a drop-down list with pre-populated probability, and there is also a toggle option fill your own. There is a provision to fill the barrier testing frequency. Key in the process safety time. Calculate the SIL. Fire case has resulted in SIL dash. Now let's do the toxic case for the same cause-consequence pair. We clone the fire case analysis and modify it. Instead of pool fire, this is toxic release. Ignition is not applicable. Considering PVV is not applicable too, the same can be removed as barrier. Calculate the SIL for this scenario. Toxic case has resulted in SIL1. As explained earlier, if there are other initiating events, their SIL can be calculated. After all scenarios are addressed, go up and get the SIL. Select the SIL for the SIF. If there are any actions resulting out of this analysis, capture the same in the action table. Go back to the SIF list table and check for selected SIL and determination status OK. Now let's look at the report part. Tick the function whose report is required and get the SIL determination report. Shows the fire scenario and toxic scenario data. Top header shows the selected SIL, status and remarks, if any. Filled participant table data and action table data are printed in the report. In the index page, you can get the SIL determination report for unit, plant, site and company. Company report encompasses site, plant and unit details. Since we have only one function, it just repeats what we saw in the SIF report. There is another abridged report for managers giving only vital data. SIL LOPA product as is available in GoRNR.com website, and you can subscribe for free use after registration. SIL LOPA incorporates modularity for easy modification if your company has additional requirements. Disclaimer: the level function used here is only for demo and our consultant is not advocating SIL1 for the function. That completes the demo of SIL LOPA product, and until we see you in another demo video, goodbye and take care.